Hello, welcome back to NMI. In this video, I want to do something different. In a few weeks, it's gonna be 40 years since John Romero got his first game published by the magazine Insider. I'm talking about Scout Search, which was released in June 1984. So I decided to try something different. I have an Apple II Plus, which is probably the machine that he used for developing that game. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna use that machine, take the listing from the magazine that he shared, the picture, and I'm gonna try that game. As I mentioned in the opening, about 40 years ago, in June 1984, the magazine Insider published John Romero's first game. As we can see here, Scout Search, page 68. I believe he was like 17 or 17-ish when he developed the game. Well, in fact, he wrote the game in 1983. As we can see here in this letter, he sent to Insider sometime between 83 and February 84. We can see here that they replied to his mail stating that they would evaluate publishing his game. And so that was February 1984, and we know that they published because in June 1984 the game was featured in this issue of the magazine, right? Here on this website, he added a few pictures of the magazine scans, right? And there's also some very interesting notes from him here. Also the instructions for typing the game, and the game, as we can see, is listed here. There is the game is split in two, so there is a basic listing and an assembly listing. And in his notes here, he says that it was easier to publish a game like this because while the game would only perform if it was written in assembly, publishing a game entirely in assembly would be probably too hard for the readers. So he found this right balance by having a part of the game written in basic and the part that needed speed written in 6502 assembly. So that's it. That's what we're gonna do. I before anything else, I want to wish Scout Search happy birthday, 40 years in June. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna first take a look at the power supply of my Apple II Plus that, as I mentioned, gave up. We're gonna have to fix it, and then I'm gonna type this game and we are gonna try it out. I have the website open here, and that's his website. So he has a scan of the magazine. I'm gonna show you on the screen, and it has the listing. So there are two listings, one in basic, another in machine language. We're gonna type one by one. So let's start with the basic listing. 0 if peak there is already a program, so we need to type new. Now we don't have anything, and we type our, well, his program. If the keyboard is actually really good. Okay, now we type the whole basic game, so we're gonna do a save scout search. And there you go. Now let's do a catalog just in case. Okay, scout search is there. Let's see. No. Now load scout search. And list. Yep. The game is there. Now we have to type in the machine language part. We need to type now the machine language listing. That is a bit trickier because it's a lot of numbers and symbols. So let me check. So according to his magazine article, we start by typing call minus 151, and this is gonna get us to the monitor. Yep. And now we have a big listing. So 8,000 column for C. Yeah, that's gonna take a lot of time. 80 1 C 1 B. I forgot my glasses, that's why I couldn't see very well the listing. Now I hope it's gonna be better now. That's it. I have typed all the machine code. Probably there is a mistake somewhere. Now let me see what he says that we need to type in order to save this. When you're done, type bsave scout search. Okay, type bsave here. I'm gonna do a research because I'm not sure we can type bsave is a basic command and we are in the monitor. Let me I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Apparently, if we do a control reset, we should go back to basic, but we're not gonna lose any of the contents. So I hope that works. Control reset. Now we should do the bsave save. I'm gonna maybe try a different name. Scout 2. $8. Oops. 8 $8, 8,000. L dollar 31F. And let's see if that works. Yeah, something happened. We still have our basic listing. Yes. Cool. And if we go to call -151, we should be able to see our listing. Oh, it's not 8,000. It's what? No, it was 8,000, right? Yeah. Okay, I think I got it working. So now I can just press, so I typed .8000 and then 8,000 again. And now we can compare the listings. And I'm gonna try to do that quickly. Oh, you know what? Let's try the game. So let's do a catalog and see if our Scout 2 is there. It is. Now we are gonna, I'm gonna restart the machine. I'm gonna turn it off. And let's see if we can, I'm not too sure how we run this game. Maybe I should have saved it with the same name. I'm not sure, but let's see. Load Scout search. Here we are loading the basic program. Now let's try run. Okay. Okay. So now let's do the load Scout 2. List. Our programs is still there. Yeah. Now let's try run. Ooh. Something didn't work. Now maybe I should review all the, let me take a look if the assembly code is there. Just 8,000 again. Yeah, for C19, yeah, the code is there. Yeah, I'm gonna have to review line by line. Yeah, I think it's kind of unbelievable, but I can't find any problem in the listing that I typed. It's almost unbelievable. Yep, no problem in the machine language listing. Unbelievable. Now let me take a look at the basic. Okay, gonna have to find a way to list and stop. I'll be right back. I didn't have to research, just listing an interval works. So let's take a look. If peak 32768, then print. Oh, of course. It is trying to load Scout Search object. Okay. Oh man. Okay. So we have the machine code there. We're gonna have to use b save. What is the command again? B save Scout Search. Yeah, the name. And $8,000 L $31F. Oops. File type mismatch. Why? Catalog again. Yeah, Scout 2. Now I'm gonna try again. B. Well, we could use B load Scout 2. Oh, probably I'm gonna have to. Yeah. Let's see. All -151. Is this the listing? Yeah, it is. There is a rename command. So let's try renaming. Oh, I think we need to use comma here. No, rename Scout 2 Scout Search. Oh, it worked. Catalog. Oh, cool. So now our basic, yeah, it's here. Now let's try run. Aha, no. Okay, list 0. Let me, oops, no. Control reset list 0. No. List 0 to 10. B load. Maybe we need to have a space there. Maybe that line is wrong. No. It looks okay. So maybe there's another, well, okay, let's load. Let's start from scratch. It's a very nice machine. Love it. The keyboard is really good. Load Scout Search. Run. Oh, file not found. List 0 to 10.
Okay, I'm gonna retype that line. Now let's try. No. Same issue. Scout search. List 0 to 10. And if we remove the .obg, now run. Oh, file type. Oh, okay. So let's try something else. New. Now we don't have any program. Load scout search. Oh, seriously? Catalog. I'll be right back. Okay, so what I found here, what I did was I renamed Scout Search, the basic program, to Scout 2, as you can see on the screen, and then I ended up with Scout 2, which is the basic, and Scout Search, right? Then I did this, load Scout Search, and this works. Now if we do call -151 and we look at our code, this is the code, this is the right code, this is our machine code, right? Our machine language code. Now I did save scout, scout, comma, $8,000 $31F, and then we're gonna save this machine code as Scout. And then if we do a catalog, we can see now that we have a Scout with a prefix B, which means that is a binary, right? What I also did was I changed the line to load scout.obg, so we're loading that file. And if we run, we get the monitor again, but we don't get the complaint on the file, right? So now we are gonna have to review the basic listing because probably there is something wrong there. So list 0 to 10, and let's start reviewing. Oh, line 7. The correct is called 32768, not 678. Call 32768. Okay, this 0 to 10. Let's save this as Scout 2. Okay, catalog. So we have Scout 2, the basic program. Now let's try run. Oh, yes. Welcome to the search, to the scout search. Are you ready to grab your scouts before the... Oh, I typed killer with a 1L. Okay. You are the scout master, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so the keys are A, Z, and minus, or less and higher, right? Any key to start the game. Let's see if it works. Oh, is it working? No. It doesn't seem to be working. So there's another problem. So there's another problem in now I know that it's in the basic listing. Unbelievable. Like the hardest part, the machine language is completely correct. So let's continue to list line by line. 3, okay, these are okay. List 11 to 30. Color equal R&D1 times 15, poke 8, call 3. Oh, another, man, unbelievable. So there's another mistake. It's called 33368 and I am calling 3368. So it's the wrong machine language. So I'm gonna have to retype 12. Call 33368. 33368. Then next. Okay, let's continue reviewing. 11 to 30. 33368. Next. Okay. Oh, I made another mistake. Oh, it's not 720, it's 715. Oh man, seriously? Oh no, wait, this is line 12. Oh, and I also missed a line 14. Oh no. Okay, so 14. List 11 to 30. Now we have line 14. 19 max equal 38. 20 color. There's a space. No, that is wrong. Oh, it's all wrong. Color 34i equals 0 to max step st. 4j equals 0 to max step st. List 31 to 41. Okay. List 42 to 62. 42 plot KL. 61 poke to 30. Oh, another mistake. Here is poke 249 and I typed 239. So 61 poke 249 37 plus 1. And this is line 61. List again 61 to 62, just in case. This one, okay. List 63 to 90, maybe it's too much. No, 63 Oh, 71 is missing. 71. Now list 62, 63 to 90. List 63 to 90. Okay, now we have 71. Now the last part here. List 92 to 92 if $1. 1006 print welcome to. Oh yeah, I need to fix that killer. Okay. List 1008 to 1014. Print you are the scout master, blah blah. Scout 1010 print another thing. Don't let the oh, the grizzlies also. There's another typo there. Okay. Okay, now I think everything, well, let's just make sure. And 10 to 1014. Yeah, that's it. So we're gonna do a, let me see, catalog. We're gonna save this as a scout 2. Save scout 2. And now we're gonna run. Any key to start the game? Yes! Look at this! I'm not sure the 2 keys here, they're not working. The ones that you move to the... Oh, there is a bug. Yeah. Totally. Yeah. Okay, there is something else that we're gonna have to check. But it's pretty cool. Oh, it's arrows. Okay. I thought it was less and higher. Oh yeah, we crashed. But it's pretty cool. Oh, see, now it's completely, yeah, the game completely crashed. So load scout 2 and run. Oh, okay. Let's reset the machine. Let's try one more time. I now know that the line 0, for some reason that I'm not gonna try to figure out right now, for some reason it doesn't really work. So we have to do load scout first, and then we do run the basic game scout 2 in my case here. And here we are. Maybe I should do some adjustments to the screen because maybe the spacing is not correct, but it's so hard to really find out how many spaces are in that listing. That's really hard to see and to understand, or figure out from the listing. So maybe I'm gonna try to improve that later. Also here, right on the header here, I'm gonna have to improve that. But if we start the game, the game is working, but there is a bug. See, this is the bug. The game is still here, so we can try to run it again. Oh, no. So let's do a load count. Oh, yeah. I am in the monitor. Load count. Maybe, you know what? I'm gonna rename scout to scout bin. And then I'm gonna rename scout2 to scout. Now let's do a catalog. Okay, now I need to do a load scout bin. And run scout. Okay. So drawing the maze is done in BASIC. Ooh. What? There were 2 scouts. Oh, the game, yeah. That is the bug that we saw before. I don't know if it's something that I'm still missing. I reviewed now 3 times. The machine code seems perfect. I reviewed also multiple times the basic listing. I found some errors as we saw before, but I could not see anything else. So I don't know if there is really a bug still in something that like a typo in my listing, or there is a bug in the game itself. So I don't know if anyone out there knows more about this game and tried this or has a different listing than the one that I got here. And this one I got from John Romero's website, right? This is the magazine scan. So anyway, if you have that, please let me know. I would like to fix my game and play it a little bit more. It's a cool game. I like it, and especially thinking that, you know, it was written like in the early 80s by a teenager. It's really amazing. So congratulations, John. I'm a big fan of Romero and Carmack and Doom, and I think that's it. It was really fun to do this, especially on this Apple II. I think except for the monitor, I am believe that this is pretty close to the original setup that Romero was using at that time, and it was really fun. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, please you know, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to NMI, and see you next time. Bye.